He lost his job on a Monday. Rent was due, savings almost gone. But instead of panicking, he asked Chat GPT, "How can I make $10,000 a month using AI?" Chat GPT didn't give him a miracle, it gave him a map. It showed him how to create an automated YouTube channel using AI. He spent nights experimenting with tools. Chat GPT wrote his ideas, 11 Labs gave them voice. Pika Labs turned them into videos. Each tool became a gear in his digital machine, a system that worked while he slept. His first upload, 1,000 views. The second, 10,000. By the end of the month, he made $500. It wasn't luck, it was proof. He didn't stop. He built 3 more channels, all automated. AI worked while he slept. Every morning, more views, more income, more freedom. 3 months later, $10,000 a month. Not from luck, but from leverage. He realized something powerful. AI doesn't replace people. It replaces excuses. The real limit isn't technology, it's mindset. What if you could do the same? What if AI could free your time instead of taking your job? Start small. Build your system. AI isn't the future, it's the present. So can you make $10,000 a month with AI? Yes, but only if you build it, not fear it. Watch more stories like this. This is Moneyverse Stories.